What is electronics? Electronics is an applied form of science that deals with electrons. The definition of electronics technically says electronics is an engineering branch that concerns with the flow of current through semiconductor, gas, or any form of matter. Now, what are the applications of electronics? First is consumer electronics. These are devices and equipments that are meant for everyday use. They include printers, scanners, personal computers, home appliances, audio-video systems, etc. Second is industrial electronics. This industry is powerful in making real-time automation. This include industrial automation and motion control, machine learning, motor drive control, mechatronics and robotics, power converting technologies, renewable energy applications, power electronics, and biomechanics. Micro-industrial design is at micro level. It includes microchips, diodes, transistors, etc. Third is medical applications. Advanced, sophisticated instruments are being developed for data recording and physiological analysis. They are proven to be more useful in diagnosis of diseases and for healing purpose. Some of the medical devices and equipments that are commonly used are pacemaker. A pacemaker is a small device that is placed in the chest or abdomen to help control abnormal heart rhythms. This device uses electrical pulses to prompt the heart to beat at a normal rate. Second is glucose meter. It is also known as a glucometer or blood glucose monitoring device. It is a home measurement system you can use to test the amount of glucose, that is, sugar, in your blood. Next is digital thermometer. The digital thermometers are used to sense the temperature of the body, and these devices are portable. They have permanent probes and a convenient digital display. These devices are used in different industries to control processes in scientific research, the study of weather, and in medicine.